For all your commercial and domestic plumbing and heating, one call to Plumb Call and it's sorted. Based in Yaxley near Peterborough, Plumb Call services homes and businesses throughout the area. Our highly qualified engineers are able to complete projects of any scale, including plumbing problems, heating maintenance, as well as landlord safety checks. We can design, supply and install new central heating systems. If your boiler needs servicing, talk to us. We are approved Anglian water plumbers, are gas safe registered, as well as Offtech approved oil heating engineers. At Plumb Call, customer care is our watchword. We use dust sheets and shoe covers and tidy up on all work undertaken. Plumb Call Plumbing and Heating has been serving Peterborough and the surrounding areas since 1985. Up to 80% of our work comes from repeat business and recommendations. We are a family-run business dedicated to providing an efficient and quality service to our customers. We pride ourselves on our personal service. So for all your commercial and domestic plumbing and heating issues, call Plumb Call or visit us online today.